post movie clips on TikTok or how you can add movie clips on TikTok. Posting movie clips on TikTok can be a fun way to create engaging content. Here is the process how you can do that. First of all, you need a permission. Make sure you have the right to use the movie clips as copyright issue can arise from using the unlicensed material. After using a video editing app to trim the movie clip to the desired length, TikTok allows videos up to 3 minutes long. Just tap on your TikTok here, open up your TikTok, and you can use Insert app. You can use Insert, CapCut, or iMovie for editing. So if you want to post the movie clips on your TikTok, and consider adding text, music, or voiceover to make the clip unique and engaging. After that, you have to launch your TikTok app and tap on the plus icon. After that, you can select the upload option, or here you have to tap on that, and you can go for the video option and tap on that. Go for the edit option if you want to, and go for the next option. After that, you can add effect sound or music from the TikTok library and you have to go for the next option. And once you are satisfied with your video, you can tap on the post options to share it with your followers. So after that, you can enjoy sharing your movie clips on your TikTok. So this is the simple step how you can post movie clips on your TikTok. So before posting your movie clips, you have to make sure you have the right to use the movie clips on your TikTok. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.